Mix these two ingredients and destroy any cysts and fibroids. This homemade natural medicine is extremely useful and effective against many health problems, especially against cysts, heart diseases and toxin buildup in your organism. And you just need 2 simple ingredients to make this powerful combo. This powerful combination of honey and house leeks can regenerate your entire organism. The basic ingredient of this powerful natural remedy is the herb house leek, extremely powerful herb. The Latin name of this herb is sempervivum and it means always alive. Greeks and Romans always had house leeks in their homes. They've used it as a home plant to keep bugs and insects away. A lot of people today have this plant in their homes for the same purpose. Homemade remedy against cysts and fibroids recipe. You will need the following ingredients: 300 grams house leeks leaves, 500 grams of honey. Directions. First, you need to chop the house leek leaves into small pieces and put them in the honey. Leave it for 2 to 3 days. How to use it? You should consume 1 tablespoon a day of this amazing homemade remedy on empty stomach in the morning immediately after you wake up. And make sure you don't drink or eat anything else in the next 2 hours. You will be amazed by the results. This homemade remedy is extremely useful and effective in stimulating the metabolism, and it cleanses the body from all harmful toxins. You should know that your body accumulates more harmful toxins and waste during the winter months, and its effectiveness is extremely important during this period. These types of detox and natural remedies are very important for us because of the reduced physical activity during the winter time. This natural homemade medicine has positive impact on your health in general. In Russia they use it as a preventive medicine for heart diseases. Also, it boosts up the entire metabolism, it helps with cyst problems, and it cleans your body. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.